Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview WQSFD Inflatable Spa Hot Tub with Smart Pump. Pampering yourself is easier than ever with 110 soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience in relaxing water up to 40 Celsius. Includes supplied with inflating hose, drain hose, 3 PCS 15 cm connection hoses, caps, pump unit, RCD plug, airflow valve, ground cloth, filter cartridge holder, spa liner, repair kit, pump unit connectors, 2 filter cartridge, top cover. Power-saving temperature sensor automatically heats water back up to set temperature if the water temperature drops by 2 Celsius. With the easy-to-replace the filter cartridge and easy button controls, enjoying and maintaining the spa has never been simpler. Product benefits: capacity 2 to 4 people, maximum temperature of 104 Fahrenheit, inflates with the included pump in less than 5 minutes. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.